Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, we'll be building another amazing Python project called Restaurant Management System. So far we have learned so many data types inside Python, so many data structure inside Python. So in this particular project, I'm going to use one amazing data structure inside Python called dictionary. I already told you dictionary is like very powerful and it's like very stylish data structure inside Python. So I'll try to use this particular dictionary data structure to implement this particular project. But if you can use any other data type, if you want to implement with the help of any other data type or any other data structure, you can implement. I don't have any kinds of issue. But if you're using dictionary in this particular project, it would be more efficient, okay, than others actually data type. Fine. Now let me tell you about this particular project, like which project actually we are going to implement here. See, here we'll be implementing this restaurant management system. I think you know what is restaurant actually management. In a restaurant, what you can do, you can actually open up the menu and you can choose the, let's say, different food and you can order. Okay. And if you order, it will show you the price of that particular food. Okay. So we'll be implementing the similar kinds of application. And see, here I'm not going to implement the complete like end-to-end application. That means the user interface and all. Here we'll be only implementing with the help of Python program. Okay. That is the thing. Advanced project will be implementing after completing this particular Python course. Okay, no need to worry, there are so many projects I should be implementing together. So this is the like very basics project we'll be implementing. We'll be only implementing the structure of this particular project, okay, with the help of programming. Here I'm not going to implement any kinds of UI and UX, okay, for this particular project. What is UI and UX? That means user interface. Okay, user interface I'm not going to create. Fine. So let's go to our code editor and let's implement this particular project. So here I'm going to first of all create a file. I'm going to name it as 45 restaurant underscore management.py. So here I'm going to use this particular py file, okay, to implement this particular project. Whenever you are going for any restaurant and you are checking the menu, okay, menu of that particular restaurant, what you will see that in the menu. See, in the menu, all the food item would be there, and with respect to that, their price would be there. Fine, in that particular menu. So that if I'm a user, I'm coming to a, let's say, restaurant. If I get that particular menu card, I can get to know, okay, this is the food and this is the price of that food. Okay, with respect to that, I will order that particular food, right? So I just need to create a data structure here that will contain the food name as well as the price. I think you got it, right? Which data structure I'm going to use? I'm going to use dictionary data structure, because in a dictionary I can store in the key value pair. So in a key I can write my food name. In a value I can write the price of the food name. Okay, I hope this part is clear. So let's create a dictionary here. I'll name it as menu. So this is going to be my dictionary, and inside that I'm going to store some of the food, let's say coffee. Okay, and the price of the coffee, let's say $2. Okay, $2 is the price of this particular coffee. Now the second item I'm going to keep, let's say pasta, and what's the price? Let's say I will keep $3. Okay, so this should be comma. Fine. Now the next item I'm going to write as pizza. Let's say pizza price is $5. And next item I'm going to keep as burger. Let's say burger I will keep $6. And the last one, let's say I'll keep chicken. That's chicken, I'll just keep $10. Okay, so I think I have created this particular dictionary and I have stored all the items and with respect to their price as well. Fine. Now the second thing what I have to do, I have to actually print this particular menu. That means I want to show the menu in front of the user whenever they will execute my application, right? So for this, what I can do, I can use a print function, and inside that I can write this particular menu. So I already created the menu. Let me show you. See guys, this is my menu. So here I'm using multi-line actually statement. That's why I'm using this particular triple quotation instead of using single quotation. I hope you got it. Now this is the message I have given. Welcome to Bappi's restaurant. Please order food. And you can see I have given all the food one by one. Coffee, pasta, pizza, burger, and chicken. Okay, and with respect to their price I have given. Now if I execute the program, so what will happen? So I'll open up my terminal. I'll take command prompt, and now if I execute the program, let's say Python, what is the file name? It's 45 restaurant management. I'll just write 45 dot. If I press tab, it will autocomplete. Now if I execute the program, you'll see that I'll get my output. Okay, you can see welcome to Bappi's restaurant. please order the food, and it is giving me the food list. Now I can easily read it and I can order from here. Fine. Now what I have to do, see, user will order actually food, and I also need to calculate the price of that particular food. Let's say if they have ordered something, again I will ask the user, do you want to order something, anything else or not? If they are telling yes, I will order. So what will do, actually it will take another order and it will calculate the price. That means the total price. So for this I'm going to take a variable here. I'm just going to name it as total underscore price. Okay, total price is equal to, initially it would be 0. Okay, initially it would be 0. Now here I will take the input from the user. I'll just write item 1 is equal to, I'll take an input, and here I'm going to just write enter the name of the item he want to order. Fine. Now whenever user will enter something, I will check a condition. If this item, okay, if this item it is present inside my menu, that means I'm using membership operator here. Okay, I think you know what is membership operator, not in and in. We have learned this thing, okay, so far. So I'm checking if item in menu, if it is present, then what I have to do, first of all I have to update my total price. So total price I will update with my actually item price. Okay, now see, if I want to take the price, okay, if I want to take the price from this particular dictionary, so what I have to do, I have to call this particular key, right? If I, let's say user has ordered coffee, that means the key should be coffee that time, and if I write the key, it will give me the value. Okay, so the same concept will be applying here. I'll just simply write menu item 1. Okay, menu item 1. That means if user has given coffee, so coffee will go inside menu and it will return me this particular price. Similar wise for pasta, pizza, burger, and so on. Okay, I hope you got it. Now my total price would be updated. Let's say initially it would be it was 0. Now if user has let's say ordered coffee, so it will update with $2. Okay, inside this particular variable it will update $2. I hope this part is clear. Now once it is done, I'll just print a message. So I'll print this particular message. I'm using f string here. You can see here I've written you ordered item 1, that means the item name, and your total amount is this is the amount. Okay, I've given this particular message here. Now in the else condition, I'll just write, now in the else condition I'll just write invalid item, please order something from the menu. Let's say if user is giving any item which is not present inside my menu, that time actually it will throw this particular message. I hope this part is clear. Now once he has ordered one item, I'll ask another time. So I'll just take another variable. So I'll just write another order is equal to, I'll again take an input. So here I'm asking, do you want to add another item? Yes or no. If user is giving yes, so what will happen? I'll check this particular statement. If another order is equal, okay, yes. Now what I will do, see, user may give actually smaller character yes or bigger character yes. Okay, it's up to them. So what I have to do, I have to convert each and everything in a lower format. Okay, so what I can do, I can use this particular lower method in a string. I think you remember. Okay, lower we can do. If I perform lower, everything would be converted as lowercase character. Okay, now here I'm checking if another order is equal to yes, so it will happen. I will again take the input from the user. Now instead of item 1, I will take as item 2, and here I'll write enter the name of the second item. Okay, second item you want to order. Now once he has given this particular item, I'll just check if item 2 in the menu, if it is present, simply I'll just update my price. I'll update my price with the new order, and I will print the message you ordered this particular item and your total amount is this much money. Fine. In the else condition, again I'll just write invalid item, please order something from the menu. Now I think most of the people are having question, I'm getting an auto suggestion in my code editor. How? Okay, see, for this actually I've installed one extension. Let me show you. If you go to the extension marketplace, and here if you search for tab 9, okay, so this is the extension I'm using, guys. This is the extension tab 9. Okay, so if you install this particular extension, you will also get the auto suggestion. This tab 9 is nothing but it's a AI chat and auto complete for the JavaScript and Python. Okay, so I'm using this particular extension. You can also but see, initially I won't be suggesting to install this particular extension because you are learning here, and if you are getting the code suggestion, you are not writing the code from your end. Okay, but I'm a developer. I have installed this particular extension in my ID, because whenever I implement any kinds of projects, I don't need to write repetitive code again and again. Okay, I can write a very quick code there with the help of auto suggestion. That's the idea. Initially, I won't be suggesting you to install, but if you want to explore, you can install it. Okay, here there is install button you will get. You can install it. Fine. So this is called tab 9. Okay, tab 9 extension you can install. Okay, so I think we have completed this particular application. Now the final step, I'll just print this total money. Here I'm going to write. So here I've just printed your total amount is this much of money. Thank you. Okay, thank you for visiting our restaurant. I think this particular application is completed. Now let's try to check whether it's working fine or not. I'll open up my terminal and here let's see execute this particular application. Now see it is giving me the message. Welcome to Bapi's restaurant. Please order the food. Let's say I want to order coffee. Make sure you are giving the same name. Okay, coffee. Now see, I ordered coffee and my total amount is $2. You can see it's $2. Fine. Now it is telling, do you want to add any other item? I'll tell no. It will tell me your total amount is $2. Thank you. Okay, that means I have to pay $2. Now let me again execute the application. Now again you can see my menu is coming. Let's say I want to order right now pasta. Okay. Now it is telling your pasta order is successful and the price is $3. Do you want to order anything? I'll tell yes. Now it is telling enter the name of the second item you want to order. Let's say I want to order chicken. Okay. Chicken I want to order. If I hit enter, you will see that my total amount is $13 because pasta was $3, chicken was $10, and now total amount is $13. Thank you. Okay. So that's how this particular application is working fine. Okay. So this is a basic application we have developed with the help of Python and this particular dictionary data structure. Going forward, we'll be also implementing advanced kinds of application. Okay, so I hope you like this particular project, guys, and please try to write the code from your end. Definitely this part will be more clear. Now I think you are getting how to use the concept. Okay, whenever I'm solving any kind of problem statement. Okay, that is the idea. So yes, guys, this is all about from this particular video, and I will see you next time.